How to use Urban VPN on Mac. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching how to use Urban VPN on Mac. So what changed on Mac? Urban VPN macOS Express is streamlined, but it behaves differently from Windows in key ways. Windows Pro typically uses system tray icon and start and slash connect workflow through the taskbar. Mac Flow, a single unified interface, handles server selection and connection plus macOS permission prompt during setup. Install the Mac app. Step 1. Download and install. Download Urban VPN Desktop for Mac. Requires macOS 11.0 or later. Step 2. Approve permission. On first launch, macOS will prompt for network and VPN related permission. You must approve this. Denying them will prevent the VPN from connecting properly. So these prompts are macOS security features, not bug. Always allow them. Connect switch location and verify. Open menu, right click on Urban VPN icon, select server, choose location, click connect. Verify IP, check IP on an IP lookup site. Troubleshoot like a pro. When Mac says no, here's how to fix it. Connection refuse. Go to System Settings, Security and Privacy, and ensure all VPN permissions are granted. Restart the app and your network settings. Still not working? Try this in order. Reinstall the app, switch protocol inside the app, update macOS, or try a different server location or network. So there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, start with the question below guys. I will answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.